Hi everybody, so I'm here with my Karen Hand Dyes yarn subscription. Where'd my scissors go? There they are. So this comes 4 times a year, and I've got the yarn 1 month so far, or 1 subscription so far. And I still have, after this one, I still have 6 more to come over the next 2 years. So let's see what we've got this time around. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Look at that. So it's 100% superwash merino. I was planning on using these to add to my Ruana, but where those I have a 75-25 mix with merino and nylon, these are all 100% superwash merinos. So I don't want to mix them. So what I'm planning on doing is I will come up with either a few different projects to make with them, or I will use all of the packages from this month, the previous one I received, and any upcoming ones. I'll use them all together in a blanket maybe. I have to decide on that. Still haven't decided. So it's with Dragonfly fibers and Canon heart. Did I say Karen before? I meant to say Canon. I did say Karen. Oh well, what you gonna do? So anyway, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 24 10-gram skeins of yarn. So I will have to decide what I want to do with this, whether I do mitered squares held double, or if I just do them all stripey and start with one and work my way through to the next one. There's a noisy motorcycle out front. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh, I think I'm going to have to wait for all of them to arrive and make a decision on what I want to do. Maybe even a scrappy cardigan. We shall see. So this is 1,084 or 1,044 yards total for each of them. So there's enough to make some stuff. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with them. The original plan was for them to go into my Ruana, but unless the yarn that they're sending changes over time, I'll come up with another plan. Either which way, I am so excited to work with these yarns. I shall keep you posted when I get around to doing so. Alrighty, thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys again very soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.